have had to brace for a lot of weather changes in the last few months, and that got us thinking. What kind of weather is best when it comes to hitting a baseball? So we asked meteorologist Megan Perry to look into it, because who else would you ask when you want to know about the weather? Megan, this is some interesting stuff you found.
Yeah, so I mean, we could all use some warmer days like us at the playoff game last year. And it turns out that baseballs also travel farther in warmer weather. So a ball's trajectory is affected by other atmospheric conditions too, like humidity, altitude, pressure, wind speed. You might think it would be easier for a ball to fly through dry air, but in reality, hitters should have better luck batting balls in sticky Miami than in arid Phoenix. And that's because more humid air holds more water molecules, and that gaseous water vapor is really light. It displaces heavier gases like nitrogen and oxygen, which lowers the air's density. So what is air density? It's a measure of molecules in a given amount of space, basically how heavy the air is. Higher density air is harder for a ball to fly through. There's more drag. Air's temperature also plays a role in density. Gases expand, they spread out. When it's hot, making the air less dense. When air is cold, it shrinks. It becomes more packed together, making it more dense. That's why we see a lot more home runs in Globe Life Stadium in Arlington, Texas, in the sweltering summer heat. Another factor that comes into play, of course, is altitude. And you guessed it, it also relates to density. Air closer to sea level, like here at Petco Park, gets squished down by the weight of the gases in the atmosphere up above. The higher up you go, like at Denver's Coors Field, the air is less dense and less easier for a ball to travel through. Of course, there are other factors. Favorable wind and speed and direction can also nudge a baseball a little bit farther. So what does density look like? So low density air, the molecules are spread out farther. High density air, they're more compact, they're closer together. So what happens when we see a ball hit in cold and dry air? Well, it goes through high density, there's more air for a ball to travel through, and so it's not as likely to hit a home run. There you go. However, on a hot, humid day, a ball typically hit at home run speed and trajectory will actually, at 10-degree change in temperature, will make it worth over 3 feet in distance. So it's a lot more likely to hit a home run on hot and humid weather. Of course, when you're in the stands, it doesn't feel as comfortable in that hot and humid weather. Of course, Padres opening day is tomorrow, March 30th. It is not going to be hot and humid. First pitch is at 1:10. The Padres will be hosting the Colorado Rockies, and ABC 10 News will have live coverage from Petco Park. Virginia and I are going to be out there. We'll be out there for opening day dealing with the rain.